Welcome to Mindset Series. This is series especially designed for you to bring you a lot of changes in your life. Lot of practices we are discussing in this series. In this world, there are two kind of peoples. One is a fixed mindset, and another is growth mindset. Whatever you are in category, that will be decide your future. There are some people, they are thinking that they are whatever they are reached in their position just because of fate, just because of the some other person is responsible for his career. But some others, maybe called growth mindset ones, they are thinking that whatever they are reached in their level just because of their efforts, their actions, their thought process. If you want to become a fixed mindset, then there will be no opportunities in you. There is no use to exist in this world because everything will be changed. There was a new technology has come. There are new discoveries. The man started improving himself. If you see that last 100 years, there are a lot of discoveries happened. A lot of comfort will come. Once the rajas will use the horses to make transport from A place to B place. Now you can see there are a lot of cars available. Even a common man can transport through bus. That means there's a lot of leverage has happened through a lot of past year. So if you want to make yourself growth mindset, then be continue with this video. Here I am sharing one best practices to improve yourself with tremendous growth and opportunities. So here I'm discussing about the one common habit of every success people has. If you go through any successful person, whatever you know his name, just like maybe Warren Buffett, Job Bezos, Microsoft, Google, or any other company, whichever you hear about that. So whatever co-founder or founder, if you go through their life, in their childhood, in their habits, in their practices, there is a one common habit of every successful people, that is the reading. Yeah, read to lead in your life. If you want to lead in your life, start reading, start making more progress in your life. If I reading the, not in the sense that reading about academics like physics, chemistry, mathematics, that is never. Reading about the successful methods, simple steps, there are key learnings, best practices, learn from the mistakes of others. So whatever author published a book, it is just because of he think that he would like to share something to the other peoples, so that so that other people can by learning these simple methods can make progress in their life. So if you want to become more progress, you want to build up growth mindset, you have to start the reading in yourself. Let me say me about something about myself. In the last couple of 2 years back, I was not able to speak. I was a little bit of shy, and I was not able to speak with the strangers. And I'm nervous, hesitation about myself, and my life is not going well. And I always worry about my thoughts, just because of I'm wasting the time on social media and some other things stuff. But whenever I started implementing reading is my primary habit, then I transformed myself more progressively, tremendously. In the last 2 years, I improved a lot. Even I am able to speak any strangers with positive attitude to make him feel uh, comfort, so that I can do just because of the reading. I read a lot of books about personality development, family fiction. All this are improved my conversation skills and my positive attitude and my growth mindset. And there are a number of methods which I followed for making conversation skills better. So if you think that the benefits of the reading books, there are a lot of benefits. You cannot imagine by reading this you can transform in your life. You cannot imagine. So start working on yourself. Now this time I'm reading every day 50 pages so that I can complete one book per week, four books per month, and 50 books nearly a year. 50 books in the means there are lot of learnings, 100 ways of learning, 1,000 ways of learning, simple methods, lot of stuff I getting through my brain, because whatever we are consuming our brains, we will become in on our life. So whatever you are in your life, just because of your surroundings, if you surround with good people, like mind people, growth mind people, mentors, books, that then there are a lot of more opportunities will come in your life. Whatever you are in the field, you can easily get the 10 minutes of your busy schedule. So make the 10 minutes, at least you can start reading at least 5 pages. Start from a little, and you can gradually improve in your life. So if you want to improve, more progress, more opportunity, more revenue in your life, so that you have to improve the one common habit, that is the reading. Thank you very much for watching this growth mindset series. Here in this series, I am sharing about more things about to productivity, upon making ourselves better than yesterday. So follow me for more things in Instagram, where I was often active, and I can clear any doubts if you have, and I will guide you to become more progress in your life. Basically, my theme of this channel is to make yourself better in your life. When we make the like-minded people surrounding us, we can make more progress with each other. So follow me on Instagram as an action taker, where I post a lot of quotes, thoughts, a lot of stories, which will be benefit you in your life consciously or subconsciously.